In this video, we gonna talking about top 10 best helmet headsets on market. Number 1. Brand name, Lexon. 2 PCs Lexon B4 FM 4-way Bluetooth motorcycle helmet, intercom headsets, hands-free wireless helmets, intercomunicadores Moto Music. Its price, US $103.23. Number 2. Brand name, VR Robot. VR Robot, Bluetooth 5.0 Moto helmet headset, wireless hands-free stereo earphone, motorcycle helmet headphones, MP3 speaker. Its price, US $11.42. Number 3. Brand name, FODsports. FODsports V6 Pro, motorcycle helmet, Bluetooth headset, intercom 6 Riders 1200M wireless intercomunicador BT interphone. Its price, US $32.61. Number 4. Brand name, Lexon. Lexon, motorcycle Bluetooth helmet headsets, intercom for 2 riders, BT wireless 1200 meters intercomunicador hands-free interphone. Its price, US $49.41. Number 5. Brand name, Vimoto. Easy Rider Vimoto V8, motorbike BT interphone motorcycle Bluetooth helmet, intercom stereo headset for cell phone, GPS 2-way radios. Its price, US $56.99. Number 6. Brand name, Netphone. V8 BT Bluetooth motorcycle helmet, intercom 1200M for 5 riders, interphone headset, remote control, FM radio. Its price, US $75.39. Number 7. Brand name, FODsports. FODsports 2 pieces FX8 helmet, intercom motorcycle Bluetooth helmet headset, 8-rider 1000 meters Moto interphone intercomunicador FM. Its price, US $124.87. Number 8. Brand name, FODsports. FODsports FX6, motorcycle helmet, Bluetooth intercom Moto helmet headset, 1000 meters 6-rider BT interphone intercomunicador FM radio. Its price, US $46.93. Number 9. Brand name, FODsports. FODsports 2 pieces M1S Pro, motorcycle helmet, intercom Bluetooth headset, 8-rider 2000M intercom waterproof Group BT interphone. Its price, US $107.61. Number 10. Brand name, Freedcon. Freedcon SC-BT interphone motorcycle helmet, intercom wireless Bluetooth headset, waterproof intercom LCD FM. Its price, US $39.03.